It's me, CarlWheezer, and today I will be playing some Trap Venture 2. So they made a mobile version of this game, and I've seen that it's absolutely infuriating. So I figured, why not give it a go? As you can see, it's monetized through ads, like almost every game is now, so that's not too big of an issue. Before we begin, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Yeah. Well, with that, let's get started. Well, I brought normal mode. I thought I would ask for confirmation. I'm gonna get in trouble here. I spent money. Okay, well, may as well use it while we can. Alright, please subscribe. I really need to make back the $2 I spent. No! You know how some YouTubers do this because they're actually good at video games? I am not at all that kind of YouTuber. As you can tell, I am most certainly not doing this because I'm good at it. At least the music is happy, because I certainly am not. I haven't even made it past the second level. Or my bad, the third level. I can see why this is considered one of the most enraging games of all time. I know how it works now. Of course, knowing how it works isn't everything. You have to be able to escape the damn ball. Alright, one life left. Let's try this. Oh no. Why does nothing work? I made it. It's all for content. I don't care. This is so utterly infuriating. I just can't finish any of this. I need to get Jimmy to invent an idiot-seeking nuclear warhead to end the lives of whoever created this abomination. I'll give it this last try. You know what? This game is so infuriating that I may as well just end it all. Alright, that was the possibly worst, most infuriating game I have ever played. Although it's really fun, I suggest you try it. But it is so difficult. I think I'm gonna end it there. Thanks for watching. If you watched until the end, make sure to subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed. Have a great rest of your day or night, depending on when you're watching this. If you're watching this and it's really late at night, go to sleep, you idiot. A healthy sleep schedule is the key to success. Well, thanks again for your support, and may you be blessed with eternal croissant